لأجلك يا ربي نسعى.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warning and good news from our Creator, Allah. So let's listen to it attentively. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى. But when there comes the great catastrophe, this refers to the day of judgment. It has been called this because it will overcome every matter. It will be frightful and horrifying indeed. يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى. The day when man shall remember what he strove for. Meaning, at that time the son of Adam will reflect upon all of his deeds, both the good and evil. وَبُرِّزَتِ الْجَحِيمُ لِمَنْ يَرَى. The hell shall be made apparent for whoever sees. It means it will be made apparent for the onlookers, so the people will see it with their own eyes. فَأَمَّا مَنْ طَغَى. Then for him who transgressed, meaning he rebels and behaves arrogantly. وَآثَرَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا. And prefers the life of this world, meaning he gives it precedence on the matters of religion and his hereafter. فَإِنَّ الْجَحِيمَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. Verily his abode will be the hell, meaning his final destination will be the hell. His food from the tree of Zaqqum, his drink will be from Hamim. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى. But as for him who feared standing before his Lord and forbade himself from unlawful desires, meaning he fears standing before Allah. He fears Allah's judgment of him. He prevents his soul from following unlawful desires and compels it to obey its master. Finally, his destination, his place of return will be the spacious paradise. Allahu Akbar. May Allah aid us to be able to abide by His laws and grant us Jannah by His rahmah.